In this video, I will show you how to use the Impact Affiliate program. I'll split this video up into 5 different parts. Starting with how to join Impact, because of course first you will need to have your Impact Affiliate account. Then I will go over the Impact dashboard and how to navigate it. Then I'll show you how to join an affiliate program in Impact. Then I'll show you how to actually get an affiliate link from Impact that you can promote and get referrals. And then I will show you how to track your earnings and referrals. So first, of course, we want to create our account to actually start promoting affiliate programs. So to do this, just go to impact.com and click on Are You a Partner right here. Then scroll down a bit and click on Work with Brands. That will take you to the sign up page. So you can continue with Google, Apple, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or if you already have an account, you can click on sign in. So I will go ahead and create an account right now. So here enter your first name, your last name, your email address and your mobile number. Then click I have read and accept the partner user agreement and the master campaign agreement. Then you will need to verify your identity, so you can do this with your email or your phone number. I will go ahead and use my email. Then you want to enter your code right here. And then click on verify. Now they will ask you what is your primary business model. So you can choose content and reviews, deals and coupons, loyalty and rewards. You can select that you are a creator, that you have a network or a commerce solution, you use media arbitrage, or you do cross-audience monetization. So I will choose the content and reviews right here. Then click on continue. Now here they will ask you which methods do you use to promote, choose all that apply. So you can add in your website, a social, a mobile app, a podcast, an email or newsletter, or something offline. So I have added in my YouTube channel right here. Then go ahead and click on continue. Now tell them a bit about yourself. So select I'm an individual or a company, I will say individual. Then choose your display name right here, your country or region, your address, your time zone and your currency. Note that your currency cannot be changed after you create your account, so make sure you select the right currency. So now you have created your account and you want to follow 6 more steps to join the marketplace of Impact. You want to join the marketplace because that is where you can actually apply to brands and get your affiliate links. So these are the 6 steps. First, apply to the marketplace, then make sure they have the right email, then complete your tax information, then fill out your marketplace profile, then verify your media properties and submit your marketplace application. So go ahead and click on get started right here. So after doing all of that, you will be taken to the Impact dashboard. So you can see right here, I am in the dashboard and there are some things that I want to go over right here. So here you have a quick overview of today's earnings, your pending amount and your balance. Then here you have a quick snapshot. So you can see your clicks over the past few days. You can see your actions, payouts, sale amount, conversion rate and EPC. Right here you can change the time frame. So for example, if you want to select last month, then you can click on that and you can see your amount of clicks right here. So for me, for example, October 16th was 4 clicks. Now below that you can see some brands to work with instantly. So these are pre-qualified brands. Now the process to joining a pre-qualified brand is a little bit different than joining a brand that you have to apply for. And I'll show you how to do both of these in a minute. So in the top right here you can see that currently we are in the home screen. Now under brands you can see find brands. When you click on that you can see all of the brands that are on the Impact marketplace. So click on all brands right here and you will see a lot of brands right here. Now of course you don't want to go through all of these to find the one that you want to promote. So if you have a company in your head that you want to promote, so for example Shopify, then you can look that up. And they don't actually have Shopify here, but they have a few similar businesses. So you can also search by a name, ID, or a keyword, as you can see right here. So if you want to promote a VPN, just go in and look up VPN. Now here you can see they have a few VPNs on Impact Marketplace. So just find the one that you want to promote under the name of the VPN or whatever type of business it is. You can see what the reward is for a referral. So for example, for the initial purchase, you get 60% with Atlas VPN. Now for this one I have already applied and you can see it has this green check mark right here. Now for Atlas VPN, I was pre-qualified, and when you are pre-qualified, right here it just says join, and you can click on join, and then you have automatically joined the Atlas VPN or whatever referral program it is, and you don't have to do an application. Now for NordVPN and Surfshark, you can see pending review. This is because I have applied and I was not pre-qualified. So I'll show you how to apply for a brand that you are not pre-qualified for. So let's say I want to apply for McAfee Consumer. Then just click on apply right here. Then you need to tell them why you want to work on this campaign. So it says what you can do. Briefly tell the brand why you want to work with them, how you intend to promote them, and any other details you wish to share. Then click on apply right here. And then after applying, you can go to applied in the top, and you can see all of the brands that you have applied for. Now, if you want to get updates on if you are accepted or declined, you want to click on the notification bell right here. And then you can see your application to join Surfshark was sent, for example. Now, under yesterday, you can see your application to join Coinbase has been declined. So it can also say accepted, of course, but this is where you will get updates. Now, after they accept you, you can go to My Brands right here. And right now, I will show you how you can actually get an affiliate link for a specific brand to promote. So right here, you can see Sentry PC. Let's click on it. Now right here you can see when you promote you will get $400 or 40%. So click on details and you can see where they service, how they track. So this specific referral program uses unique promo code tracking, a mobile site, a pixel piggyback and a deep linking. So to create your link, click on create link right here. Then select the correct referral program. If you have multiple ones, you can also select a different one right here and then go ahead and click on create. Now here you can see I have this link. When you click on it, it will copy this link. And now when somebody searches up this link, they will be taken to the website. And if they actually buy something, then that will be tracked into your Impact account and you will earn money. Now I will show you how you can actually see your analytics. So see your referrals, earnings and stuff like that. Now of course here you can see today's earnings, but you may want something more specific. So go ahead and click on reports here and then click on overview. Now here you have some analytics, so you can see your clicks right here, but you can also change it to something else. You can change the type of graph, and here you can see your top brands. So I'm only promoting Sentry PC right now, but if you have multiple brands, then you can see all of those right here. Now here under performance by day, you can see November 21st, 1 click, and the rest is 0, and you can do this per day. So you have a lot of reports right here, but if you want to track it per brand, you can click on performance by brand right here. And then you will see it for each specific brand. So you can choose a program, for example, Sentry PC or Atlas VPN, and then you can track that specific program. So again, the steps to using the Impact.com affiliate program is to first sign up to your account and actually join the marketplace. And I showed you how to do that in this video. Then apply to a brand by clicking on brands, find brands, and all brands, and then searching by name, ID or keyword, and then just apply to a brand. And then click on applied and you can get updates right here. So as long as this says this little clock icon, then they are reviewing it. And when it turns into a check mark, you will find them in My Brands right here. Then just click on the brand that you want to get an affiliate link for. So if it's Atlas VPN, click create link right here. If it's Sentry PC, click on create link right here. And then just go ahead and promote that affiliate link whatever way you want. And then go to reports and click on overview to actually track your invites, referrals and actual earnings. So that's how to use the Impact affiliate program. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.